Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Hellish Monster version of Mr. Dentist from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the snout. Let's draw a C-shaped curve like this. Then from the top, let's draw another curve over to the right, and then one underneath, leaving a small gap. Now inside, let's draw two curves at the top. Now let's move over to the right side and let's start drawing the shape of the head. From the top right, let's draw a V shape up and over. Then another one, and let's bring it all the way down on the right. Now from the bottom of the snout, let's draw a curve over, and then one more. Now let's move inside and let's draw the eyes. Next to the snout, let's leave a gap and let's draw an angled line down. Then underneath this line, let's draw two curves. Now let's hop over and draw the right eye. Let's draw an angled line, and then a circular curve underneath. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start underneath the snout and let's draw V-shaped points down, and let's bring it all the way across for the teeth. Now underneath here, let's draw a wavy line down. Then let's hop over to the right side and let's draw another wavy line down on an angle to form the shape of the mouth. Now inside, let's add a bunch of V-shaped points for the bottom row of teeth. And do the same thing along the left side. Now to close off the bottom of the jaw, let's follow that same wavy curve all the way around. And the same thing on the right, starting from the side of the head. And that's it for the head. Now let's draw the body. Let's start on the top right of the head and let's draw an angle up and then bring it down. And then let's add V-shaped spikes all the way along the top. Next, let's draw the first set of arms. Let's start with a wavy line out from the right side, and the same on the left next to the mouth. And then for the end, let's draw a curve up. Now for the bottom side of the arm, let's draw a bent line on both sides like this. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start at the top and let's draw the thumbs. Let's start with two bumps up, and the same on the other side. Now at the end, let's draw a curved triangle for the nails. And then another two bumps down. Next, let's draw a curve out. Then for the next finger, let's draw a curve in and back out like this. And add a curve inside for the nail. Now for the next finger, let's draw a curve out and back down. And add a curved nail at the end. Then the next finger with another curve. And again a nail at the end. And lastly, one more curve to close off each hand. And that's it for the first set of arms. Now let's move back in and let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start underneath the mouth and let's draw a wavy line down, around, and back up on the right. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw the second set of arms. Let's start with a wavy line down and out on both sides. And then a curve underneath. Now let's add the hands. Let's start with a curve up and back down on both sides for the thumb. And then let's draw 4 pointed curves going upwards for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop down and let's draw the legs. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve out and then bring it down. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's draw a small angle down. Then let's bring it down and over on both sides. Now at the ends, let's add the toes. Let's start from the outside line and let's bring it out, down, and back in, forming a V-shaped point. And do the same on the right. Next, inside, let's add a curve for the toenail. Now in the gap, let's add another toenail with a curved triangle. And then close off the bottom by connecting it to the other line. Lastly, let's draw one more toenail on the outside with another curved V-shape. And that's it for the legs and feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. Let's start under the body between the legs and let's draw a curve over and down to the right. Then let's continue it on the other side of the leg and curve it up and out. Then from the end, let's curve it back in following that same curve. And that's it for Monster Mr. Dentist. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!